oh my god, help me, because my battery is dying so quickly on my S10 Plus, it's unbelievable. And this one is new, actually not, but still, if you had a new phone. Because listen up, if you have an older phone, there's a high chance that your battery is expanding. And I'm going to show you in a few minutes, not even hours, because people waste your time, how to actually make your phone's battery last longer. But I actually want to tell you about one of my phones, and that's this one. Right here, you can actually see it's gonna explode. Very dangerous, right? What is even worse, this thing is way older. Like, what? The Samsung, what's it, S4? 4G? I mean, it's not even exploding yet. And this is an S9 Lite, I think. But this one is a P20 from Huawei, and it's gonna explode, I promise you. That means, yeah, well, expect your battery to be bad. I recommend you put your phones away at least at 50%, 40% in a cool environment. And that's exactly how people ship you your new phone. So, you have a new phone. You're coming to this video and you want your battery to last longer. Very simple. Don't have this bright UI. I mean, come on. This is going to drain so much battery because your screen's pixels need to be on all the time. Most phones these days actually have AMOLED. So let's go to the settings, and that is here on my Samsung. You can actually scroll down from the home page and they can easily go to these settings, and there you have the settings button. After doing this, just scroll down, go to display, very simple, and turn on dark mode. This is already going to save you so much battery. This is an AMOLED screen. That means pixels that are dark are going to be off and save so much battery. So right now it's already lasting a lot longer. What is also very important is that you change your wallpaper to something less bright. I'm not talking about having a boring dark wallpaper, but it can help a lot, especially on your lock screen. Just search on Google AMOLED wallpapers. These are going to save you so much battery. After doing that, pick one you like and set it as your wallpaper, and especially your lock screen wallpaper. On Samsung, it's pretty simple. You can actually go to the gallery app and then select it here very easily. And then the three dots here below, you can easily click on them and then set as wallpaper. You can see it here on the below option, set as wallpaper. After doing this, it's going to give you some options. Make sure you press on lock screen and home screens. Very easily, just like that. I have to adjust it and then set as my home screen and lock screen wallpaper. This is already going to save you so much battery, I promise you. Like, bam, look at this phone. Like, it doesn't look bad, and this is saving me so much battery. The next step is sleeping apps, and this is going to save you probably one of the most. And of course, adjusting your brightness to a specific environment. If you're in a very dark spot, I recommend you put your brightness actually a lot lower. Like, you will be, oh my god, you will be able to read this without any problems. Well, sleeping apps is very simple. Just go to the settings and go to this search bar you see right there. Make sure you type something like sleep and you should be able to find sleeping apps under battery and device care. Click on it, and then after this, make sure you select the option put unused apps to sleep. I turn it on. Now it's going to automatically put some apps to sleep. I have another option, three dots right here in the same location, and then adaptive battery. Make sure you turn this on. Extend battery based on your phone's usage. It's going to get to know you and actually save battery while you're not using it. So your usual usage times. Very easily, and right here you can actually put all your apps separately in sleeping apps or deep sleep apps. Make sure you go to never auto sleep apps, because here you can, for example, put down WhatsApp or I don't know, because you don't want these to go in sleep mode. They're not going in deep sleep mode, which means you're not getting any notifications, but it means that notifications are delayed, and there's a chance if you share your location, it is going to put that in the sleep mode, which means that your location is not very precise. So I recommend you select that app right here and you put it as never auto sleeping. Well, actually, if I look at it, my battery is saving already so much. So make sure you actually check out this bunny. I mean, come on. This is merch we actually made. My merch designer made this, and I also made some other designs on the website itself. Thephonenus.nl/shop. Here I'm posting monthly new merch designs and trying our best, improving every single time. And actually, if you want to create merch, if you want to create videos, everything like that, we will pay you. Just check out our Discord. You actually also saw it in the promotions here. We are welcoming you, you know, it's no problem. We love to work with everyone, teach everything we know, and it's all community based. We teach each other pretty much for free, and you can check it out, Discord and Reddit. Check it out. Actually, like this video. This is pretty much already the end. I showed you everything. My phone also has always on display. You can turn this off, but I like to have it on because I can always see my time. And you can also turn it on that it doesn't turn on, for example, during the day or during night if you're not using it, if you're really not looking at it. For example, I have a watch and I'm still using always on display. Crazy. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because when we grow, we can hire more people. And I promise you, it's going to be amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.